Oh hey, what's up, Gaming Turtle? What kind of video are you gonna be making today? Huh, Gaming Turtle? Well, let's see. This video is at 10:43 p.m. Well, I really have to think about that. I'm so stupid. Alright, they are gonna be lighting. Can you guess it? A firework. Um, let's hit quite some subscribers, please. Just 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, something. This will really help me out. I'll see you when the fireworks are about to be lit. Gaming Turtle. Alright, Gaming Turtle's back. I'm gonna be seeing the loudest one ever. It's probably loud. So I'm scared.
You should already know that Pop's always like it, right now. Huh? You should already know that. No, this is not every year. There we go.
Pointing in there.
Isaiah, you gotta come over here.
Not bad. Not bad.
Isaiah, you gotta come over here.
I know, I can see it from right here.
You gotta get him up in the sky, babe.
No, it's not gonna get that big. Is it? Lolo! Wow, that was it. Alright, that was kind of good. Alright. Yeah, that was pretty loud. That was kind of good. I'll admit, that was kind of good. That was kind of good, huh, Nana?
Yeah, good.
Lolo was really scared.
Lolo!
Would it burn you if you stepped on it? That's done. Are those all the ones that we did?
Yeah.
What's up, at? That was a firework, guys.
The last one.
We've been doing them all night. That might not be the last one. That's the last one? Are we gonna do one next time?
You turn your light off, dude, and stop showing people?
Yo, what you mean? Oh, you gonna do that to YouTube?
Put me on YouTube, watch what happens to your account.
Just kidding.
Lola! You put me on YouTube?
No, Mom.
You get views if that. Keep recording.
Yep, I'm gonna put it. My mom raged over putting this on YouTube. That's what I'll put. By Gaming Turtle.
Babe, grab his phone. You're right.
Kalani. She got all mad. I love you, Mom. You're the best.
Turn that off, Isaiah, now.
Alright, peace. Gaming Turtle out. Gaming Turtle out.